Hello, welcome to TrendWired Solutions channel. It began quietly, almost without warning. In November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT, a chatbot unlike any before. What people found was astonishing. It felt almost human. Word spread fast. Within days, 1 million people had signed up. By early 2023, over 100 million users had joined. The world was captivated by a technology that understood and generated language with uncanny fluency. It wasn't just a product launch, it was the dawn of a new era. The revolution had begun, and the world would never be the same. ChatGPT's impact was global, touching every industry and country. In classrooms from Seoul to São Paulo, teachers reimagined education. Some feared cheating, but many saw opportunity, using AI for personalized lessons and language support. Businesses raced to adopt AI. Customer service ran 24/7, marketing campaigns were generated in minutes, and developers boosted productivity. Every office worker suddenly had a brilliant assistant. Creative fields transformed, musicians composed with AI, artists generated new visuals, writers brainstormed with a digital partner. AI didn't replace creativity, it amplified it, democratizing creation for all. Adoption was lightning fast. What took the internet a decade, AI achieved in just a few years. In developing nations, it broke barriers. Farmers diagnosed crops, doctors consulted on rare conditions. The technology leapfrogged traditional limits, spreading expertise everywhere. ChatGPT became a tool for everyone, everywhere. It reshaped how we learn, work, and create. The world was connected by conversation, one question at a time. The speed of change was unprecedented. AI's global reach was undeniable. The world was being remade, not by a single invention, but by millions of daily interactions. The AI era had truly arrived. With powerful AI came seismic shifts in the job market. Some jobs vanished, especially repetitive tasks and basic content creation. Anxiety grew as people feared being replaced by machines, but new roles emerged: prompt engineers, AI ethicists, trainers, jobs that never existed before. The skills in demand changed. Critical thinking, creativity, and collaborating with AI became essential. Our daily tech habits shifted. We spoke to devices naturally, asked questions in full sentences, and used AI for everything from travel plans to recipes. AI became a utility, simplifying life and raising expectations for smarter technology. But new worries surfaced: privacy, data security, and AI bias. Could we trust these systems? What happened to our data? The debate grew. How do we ensure AI is fair, safe, and beneficial? The technology was powerful, but so were the risks. The world began grappling with how to set guardrails and regulations. The conversation about AI's role in society had only just begun. The financial world was electrified by the AI boom. Tech giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google saw their valuations skyrocket. Microsoft's early partnership with OpenAI paid off, integrating AI across its products and sparking an industry arms race. Billions flowed into AI startups, creating a new ecosystem of companies building on foundational models. Specialized AI services for law, medicine, and finance flourished, but wealth and power concentrated among a few tech giants, raising concerns about competition. Smaller companies struggled to keep up as the economic landscape shifted. The divide between AI haves and have-nots grew. Nations and companies with resources surged ahead. Geopolitical tensions rose as countries competed for AI supremacy. The race for the most powerful AI became a matter of national security. The economic shockwave wasn't just about profits, it was redrawing the global balance of power. The stakes had never been higher. The world's economic future was being rewritten in real time. By late 2025, the world had changed. AI brought opportunity, accelerating discovery, creativity, and productivity. Optimists saw a future of abundance, with AI solving humanity's toughest problems, but risks loomed: job loss, misinformation, bias, and concentrated power. Pessimists called for caution, regulation, and public debate. The technology evolved faster than society could adapt. The challenge: manage the transition wisely, invest in education, and set ethical rules. ChatGPT's true legacy? Sparking a global conversation about our future with AI. The journey is uncertain, with twists and challenges ahead. But one thing is clear: the story of AI is now part of the human story. Its next chapter is up to all of us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.